And we'll get a video here for Adam. Get it started. 1013. 1013. And Champion Rhino. 10 tickets. There's the names. PayPal info. Alright, random's open. Give it a couple refreshes. There's 1. And 2. Connection info. Alright. See who the winner is. Number 9. Number 9 is the winner. Winner picked. 1014. 1014. The winner is number 9 is Gabe Monk. Congratulations, Gabe. Number 9, you're the winner. And the comment 1014. 1014. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.